The Samsung Galaxy S24 rocks a sleek, rounded design that's a real treat for the hands. It's a breeze to hold and fits in your pocket, making it the perfect pick for those who think big phones are just too much. Wrapping up the S24 is an armor aluminum frame, and those buttons on the side click like a dream. And just like its bigger siblings, the S24 also comes with IP68 rating. For security, the under-display fingerprint sensor is your go-to. It's snappy and reliable. Plus, there's facial recognition. Samsung's Galaxy S24's 6.2-inch screen might not be the top dog in terms of display sharpness or brightness, but it's still a solid choice for your smartphone screen needs. Whether you're browsing the web, gaming, or photo editing, the S24's display holds up well. Even small text is crisp and clear. Samsung's S24 series just got a major chip upgrade with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. This beefed-up chip is tailor-made for Galaxy gadgets, promising top-notch performance and battery life. My time with the S24 was a breeze. Galaxy AI packs a punch with tools that range from super handy to downright puzzling. Take Circle to search, my top pick from the Galaxy AI suite. Just long press the center button or swipe the navigation bar, and you're set to circle or scribble on your screen to search anything, anywhere. It's like having Google Lens on steroids because it works across all apps. The S24 really steps up the game with its camera setup. It comes with a stellar 50-megapixel main sensor. It's flanked by a versatile 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 10-megapixel telephoto that brings distant scenes closer with 3x optical zoom. The photos are crisp, capturing intricate details like interlacing branches and textured bricks with ease. Up front, there is a 12-megapixel selfie cam that nails portraits with a more natural bokeh effect. Selfies come out detailed and colorful. You can shoot videos up to 8K at 30 FPS. The video stabilization is pretty solid. Also, the video colors are more true to life than the stills, less saturated, and the details are crisp. The Galaxy S24's 4,000 mAh battery may seem modest compared to other models, but it's slightly larger than its predecessors. Don't let the size mislead you. It packs a punch with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3's efficiency. It easily lasts a full day on a single charge, even with heavy use. It comes with 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charge support. The Galaxy S24 might be the smallest in its family, but it's no lightweight when it comes to performance. For those who find the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra too bulky, but still want the freshest tech Samsung offers, the S24 is a solid choice. Xiaomi 13 Ultra stands out with its modern and sleek design. The main attraction is its camera module, housing an innovative variable aperture main camera with an enormous 1-inch sensor. The phone has a premium feel, and its design is not just about aesthetics, but also functionality. The sleek, flat-screen design enhances the comfort and precision of using the device, especially with the S Pen. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra boasts one of the most exceptional displays on the market. It features a 6.73-inch QHD OLED screen with a peak brightness of 2600 nits and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is vivid, providing vibrant colors and excellent performance, making it a perfect canvas for showcasing photos and videos. It remains impressive even under direct sunlight. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The camera system is a true masterpiece. It features a remarkable 200-megapixel main camera alongside 3x and 10x telephoto lenses, an ultra-wide lens, and a variable aperture. It excels in zoom photography, capturing astonishing detail even at long distances. Xiaomi's portrait mode is among the best in the industry, offering excellent subject isolation and fine detail retention. The phone supports video recording at up to 8K at 30 FPS, delivering remarkable color and detail. Under the hood, it is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, specially optimized for the device. This chipset offers remarkable speed and multitasking capabilities. Users can choose between 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, which provides excellent performance. Moreover, this phone runs cooler than its predecessor, ensuring smooth gaming experiences. Despite having the same 5,000 mAh battery capacity as the previous model, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra offers improved battery life due to the more efficient processor and display optimizations. It comfortably lasts through a day of moderate use. In summary, Xiaomi 13 Ultra is a technological marvel that combines a cutting-edge design, an outstanding display, and a camera system that redefines smartphone photography. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset ensures impressive speed and performance, while the 5,000 mAh battery with rapid charging capabilities keeps you going.